Hello, this is Renzo from the Extra Mile. Today I'm going to introduce you two bikes that have two different braking systems. Both of these bikes have a disc front brake and they both have a drum rear brake. Most regular scooters are built this way, with a front disc brake and a rear drum brake. Now, an important difference between these two scooters, this Yamaha Janus and this Honda Lead, is that Honda has introduced the combined brake system, and you can recognize the sticker of Combi Brake here on the front. The combined brake system, or CBS, introduced by Honda, means that when on this bike I'm pressing on the rear brake lever, it will automatically press some of the front as well. And actually you can feel some movement on your front lever brake when you press the rear one. And in the same way, when you press the front lever brake, it will automatically do some of the rear brake. In that way, it basically applies some pressure on both brakes together, making the braking much more smoother and safer, especially in wet conditions. We are showing you the braking distance of both bikes for every single one of the brakes, the rear, the front, and two of them together. .30 per hour, rear brake, but not locking the tire. Okay, it takes some time to stop. Back up to 30, two brakes together, it's about half the distance. Going up to 30, front brake alone, and the front tire skidded a bit. It's not safe. I will not feel confident to use the front brake alone on this bike at more than, let's say, 20 per hour or in these wet conditions. It's not safe. Now on the Honda Lead with CBS, let's go at 30, rear brake alone all the way. Not bad. That was, much more effective than the Janus. Okay, 30 per hour, front brake alone. That's solid. And I think it was quite similar to the rear brake. It's safe, it's stable. The tire is not skidding. Now let's do two brakes together, up to 30 per hour, two brakes together. That was quick. Once more, two brakes together. That's good braking. It feels a lot safer on the CBS brake in every situation. As you can see, there is quite a difference between a normal scooter with no CBS and a scooter with CBS. On this one, even when I press only the front brake, I can feel the CBS kicking in and making the braking much smoother and safer. So the full braking with any of them, of the levers, will be solid and safe. Meanwhile, on a normal scooter with no CBS, the front brake lever alone is not enough. I didn't feel safe myself when I was going on the wet surface by using only the front brake or only light pressure. You need a rear brake in this case, and you need both of them together. So the instinct of using the front brake can be dangerous in these situations on wet surfaces with a bike that has no CBS. So we always recommend to go for CBS when you have the choice. Thank you for watching and drive safe.